Hello and welcome. This lecture is based on a very important practice problem. How many line segments are there in the given figure? There are so many points on this line segment. Then how to write the names of all possible line segments shown here? This is a very easy method of doing this. We will start from fixed point A. Then first line segment is AB. And second is AC. Third is AD. Fourth is AE. Fifth is AF. And sixth is AG. Now these line segments are 6 in number. And we know that AB line segment is same as BA line segment. Here, this line segment can be named as AB or BA. So AB and BA are same, so we are writing AB over here. Now let us assume that next starting point is B and we will keep on writing the names of different line segments. So here BC, then BD, then BE, then BF and BG. And note that we are not writing BA because AB and BA are same and this is already written over here. Now this time we will start writing from C point. And similarly from D point. And now from E point. And lastly FG. So in this way, these are 5 in number, these are 4 in number, these are 3 in number, and these are 2 in number, and here it is 1. Now these are 21 line segments. So these are 21 line segments.